I have a jacket. Oh. Daddy, where's oh. Okay, we're gonna catch the finale. Yay. One's coming from the prison and one's coming from San Francisco. Oh, come on.
See, it almost looks like it's connected.
Mm-hmm.
All the stuff in the water. I hope somebody watching it doesn't get a brilliant idea to connect it.
I wonder if we'll see any. Remember, every time we go out to the 4th of July, we see UFOs.
It's a good deal.
Be sure to look up.
It's a good deal, isn't it?
Yeah. Did you lock the door? They were definitely synchronized with the red ones. They have both come off exactly.
You can see half of them behind the clouds there.
Yeah. Think the finale's starting? Whoa, yep.
The right side is a little faster than the left side.
Yeah. Pretty. Hey, they missed a little thing. Oh, that's cool. Wow. All it looks like on the phone is like an atom bomb going off. 2 of them.
Now it's way too much smoke there.
I can use some of this footage for one of my videos. Whoa! See that one?
No, we can hear them. We had it longer and made it.
Okay, that wasn't it. That couldn't have been the finale.
That was.
Are you
Do you hear the horn?
Yes. Oh, there's another one. There's another one going off. A little one over there. Come on, do one more.
So it's not like a movie time. So there's not going to be any more. People leaving are not stupid. They're not missing.
Okay, it's over. But anyway, we're on the island. And these were blurry, but at least we got to see them. And there's the bridge over there. And now there's the traffic, which we're going to be stuck in for quite a while. And Yeah, this is the creepy island that used to be a military base, and there are places like marked off of the island that say like toxic warning, stay away, and creepy things like that. Okay, well that was it. We got to witness the very, very last of the fireworks, and there's still people, and there will still be people for probably like 2 hours trying to get off the island. And so we're stranded on an island with toxic...
Let's go. Should I get in?
What?
Should I get to the traffic or should I sit here?
You should get to the traffic. Or just... Well, we could just sit here.
I think it's illegal to sit here.
But anyway, I'm finishing the video. Hush. Okay, so this island is creepy, and if we could turn around and show you the creepy island stuff, we would, but we'll drive through it some other time. Okay. I love you, Mama. I'll post it to YouTube. Bye.